Hello, viewers, young lords. Welcome to this session. I am going to tell a very beautiful story from the tales and parables of Sri Ram Krishna Paramhans. The title of this tale is Plunderers Go About Religious. It is a parable. A parable is a story with a moral lesson, with a teaching, with educational values. Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans wrote a series of tales and parables. All these tales and parables are jewels of knowledge and wisdom. Young people, students, and all the people in general must study these tales and parables. They have much relevance nowadays. Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans was a saint and seer. He worshipped Mother Kali at Dakshineshwar in Kolkata. He was a very famous saint and seer who was well known for his wisdom, knowledge, and religious belief. One day when Swami Vivekananda went to Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans, he asked him abruptly, "Have you seen God?" Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans replied in the affirmative and said, "Yes, I have seen God." Then Vivekananda asked him, "Can you make me see God?" He said, "Yes, I can make you see God." And it is said that Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans made Swami Vivekananda see God, have the darshan of Ma Kali. Since then, Swami Vivekananda became a true devotee, a true disciple of Sri Ramakrishna. Swami Vivekananda took up the responsibility of spreading his work and spreading Sanatan religion all over the world. Now, let me tell this tale and parable captioned Plunderers Go About Religious. There was a man. He always enchanted the names of different gods. He had beads in his hand. He had beads around his neck. He had a rosary in his hand. He always took the names of different gods, enchanted the names of different gods. The people thought him to be a religious man, to be a holy man, say to be a God man. So they trusted him very much. This man had a jewelry shop. He had some people in his shop to run his errand. The man had a holy mark upon his forehead. He always showed himself to a very religious man, to be a very holy man, always enchanting the names of gods. One day, some customers came to his shop. When the customers came to his shop, he said, Keshav, Keshav, Keshav. Then the first man of his shop said, Gopal, Gopal, Gopal. Then the second man uttered, Hare, Hare, Hare. And then the last man said, Hara, Hara, Hara. It looked very religious. It created religious fervor over there. But the customers could not know the true intention of the shopkeeper. As a matter of fact, when the holy man said, Keshav, 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 he meant to know, or he meant to ask, who are they? When the other man said, Gopal, 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 he meant to reply his question, saying, they are herds of cow. When the next man said, Hare, 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 he meant to say that they should be plundered. They should be robbed of their possessions, of their money. And when the last man said, Hara, 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 it means he said that the customers are already plundered. Customers have already been looted of their money. Thus, the shopkeeper ran his shop. Now, this tale and parable tells a moral lesson. The moral lesson is that there are many people in the world who show themselves to be very religious, to be very holy men, to be God men, but they are in reality plunderers, looters, robbers. They are wolves in lamb's clothing. There are many people who practice these things, and now many of them are behind the jails these days. So this story is very relevant even today. Thanks.